tell me?
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, can I say
Yes.
Kirtana?
Yes. 11th problem we are doing. 11th workbook problems. What is the correctness of division? Who can say? Yes, Mayur.
Kirtana.
Yes, Kirtana, you can say. Who? Somebody unmuted and disturbances. Felix, please mute. Yes, Kirtana. Yes. Who is telling the answer?
Ma'am, Kirtana.
Yes, Kirtana.
Ma'am, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Yes, very good. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You can write the correctness of division, this formula. Okay, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient.
Divisor into quotient plus
remainder. That is the 11th answer. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus.
Will you send these notes in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I already sent.
Yeah, you already said.
Problems.
I completed till 16th problem.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer? Ma'am, can you repeat the answer?
Dividend is equal to
divisor plus divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Divisor quotient plus
quotient plus remainder. And divisor into quotient, right?
Yes.
The divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes, next one. Who is that?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am.
Yes.
11th question answer.
11th question is answer is that one only. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Kirtana, you can read the next problem. 12th one. Yes.
What is the quotient of 27,864 divided by 0?
Yes. What is the quotient? Can you tell me? Yes, Juwan?
0 itself.
What is the answer? Siddhi, please mute.
Ma'am, can I
Why you raise the hand? You know the answer?
Ma'am, 0.
No. Yes, Manjima?
Ma'am, 0.
No. Who is knowing the answer? Yes, Devarsh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Manu. Ma'am,
Navneet?
Manu.
Yes,
Ma'am, Manu.
Ma'am, no question. No question.
Ma'am,
Mayu.
Who is telling no quotient?
Ma'am, you cannot.
Mayu. Yes, Manu?
Ma'am, Manu.
You cannot.
Divide any number with 0. It is not correct, ma'am. You cannot divide any number.
Say one thing, ma'am, Sarah?
Yes, Sarah is having
Ma'am, we
network
cannot
problem.
divide any number. Please, Ma'am, let Mana complete first.
Siddhi, please mute. Yes, Manu?
Sarah.
Sarah, please wait.
Sarah, wait. You wait. Yes, Sarah, 1 minute. Yes, Manu?
Yes, ma'am. You cannot divide any number with 0. It is impossible to divide any number with 0.
Because division by 0 is not defined till now. 0 by 5 is 0. 5 by 0, you cannot divide. Yes, Sarah, you can say me your doubt. Manav, you can mute now. Yes, Sarah. Sarah?
Due to network issue.
Yes. So, what is the answer you will write? Division by 0, not. Who is answering in between? Yes, Sarah.
Can you say
Yes, Sarah.
answers what you have written now?
Now we are starting. That's all. Only one question we wrote. We are doing the 12th question. Division by 11th question only we wrote the answer.
Ma'am, I did till 16th problem.
16th one. Okay. 12th question. Division by 0 not defined. Somebody
Ma'am, you
answered.
send the notes in WhatsApp.
I already sent now itself.
Ma'am, should be right.
Yeah, ma'am already sent.
Division by 0 is not defined.
Okay, ma'am.
Division by 0 is not defined. Division by 0. Yes, Manjima, you can read the next question. Manjima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the quotient of 7,05,148?
7 lakh will come. Yes, 7 lakh.
5,000.
5,000? No.
75,000.
75,000 only it is. 75,148.
Divided by 14.
So you can divide and find the quotient and the remainder.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to divide it and you can find. Can you divide by yourself or I should do it now?
Ma'am, I have a confusion in divisor too of
What?
dividing.
What? You
Ma'am,
have a
I am
confusion.
having
Then
a
I will do it.
dividing
I will do it now.
two numbers.
Because I need full page here. That is why it is difficult for me. Yes. So 75148. 75148 divided by 14. So you have to write all the 14 table. 14 into 1, 14, 14 into 2, 28 for your reference. No need of showing. 42, 14 into 4, 56, 14 into 5, 70. So which number you have to take? 14 into 6 is 74. 74 no. 84. So which number you will choose here?
Ma'am,
14 into 5.
14 into 5. So you have to take 5.
570.
Next one. What is remaining? Tanvi? 551. So next one you can see 42. 14 into 3. First you write the multiplication table. 42. 94. 94 means 14 into 7 is 98. So you can take only, which number you can take? 6. 6 you can take, so you will get it as 84. The remainder will be 10. Next one is 108. Which one you can choose it now? 14 into 9, 8. You will get it as 112.
We'll
So which
take
one you have?
7 into 14.
So which one you will take it here?
7 into 14.
Which one? 7 into 14.
7 into
So you can take,
14.
yes.
90.
So if you are writing the multiplication table only, it will be good. Otherwise, 7 into 14, 98. The remainder will be 10.
Will be 10.
So what is the quotient?
The quotient is
5,367. And the remainder is,
5,367. And the remainder is 10.
this Risa is having lot of network issue. Risa, are you, Siddhi, are you teaching her, able to teach her, Risa? She is losing all the classes, missing all the classes here. So what is the remainder?
10.
10 is the remainder. And what is the quotient you write? And what is divisor? Not necessary. Quotient they asked. Okay, is it clear? Anyone is having doubt here? Anyone is having doubt here?
No.
No.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me, Rizam?
Yes, Risa, you are having network issue. Please write these problems on words.
Yes, ma'am, I have written
Yes,
this.
yes. Siddhi will teach you. She is your friend. I think she will teach.
Ma'am, I have written this.
You are written. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then no problem. Yes, Kirtana read now. Manjima, did Kirtana read the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Manjima?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Manas, you can read the next problem first.
What is the remainder when 60,000 is divided by 5?
Yes, what is the remainder they asked? Remainder or quotient? Remainder.
0.
0, very good. 13th one answer is 0 because 60,000.
Ma'am, it is 5 zeros.
Yes. 5 zeros also, 1 0 also, no difference. 0 only.
Yes.
60,000, no? 1,200.
Ma'am, which question are you doing now?
Now we are doing 14th one. This is division. This is the question number 14.
And then why are the 2 14s?
This is divisor here. Don't get confused. Previous problems divisor that 14. So I will rub it.
Okay.
Yes, now Manas read the next one. Manav, you can read the next problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Divide 5 to 52,725 by 22. Check the correctness of the division.
Yes, very good. So you can tell me the steps. You have to write the multiplication table of 22.
Yes, ma'am.
22 into 1, how much you will get? You write on the side and then it will be easy for you.
Ma'am, then it is 4, ma'am. Then 22 into 2, 44. 22 into 3, 66.
Yes.
You cannot take 66, so we will take 44, which is 2.
Yes.
So it will become 44.
This is not 22, so 22nd problem. This is the 15th problem answer, okay? This is the
And
device.
then you cannot, then you have, ma'am, you have to take 22 into 2, which is 44.
22 into 2 is 44.
Yes.
22
And then
into 3, 66. 22 into 4 is 88. Okay. So you can take only 2, 54.
Yes. Then we have to
Subtract.
subtract. So
87.
you cannot do 2 minus 4, so you'll cut and make
87,
it
which
12.
one you will take? Only 3.
Ma'am, you will make it 12.
Only 3. So you'll get
you are doing. Okay.
1.
Ma'am, we did.
Yes.
Ma'am, we did not the right 14th one.
Yes.
We did 14th one.
15th one. 15th
Yes,
one.
we did 14th.
22 into 5 is 110. 132.
Ma'am, 12 minus 4 is 7. No, it's 8. Sorry, ma'am.
52 minus 52 minus 54. Is it correct? What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
mistake?
Ma'am, not 54, 44.
44, yes.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It was my problem, ma'am. I
Your
thought
problem.
of it wrong.
Okay. 212.
Ma'am, I got to in top. I got 23.
Yes. Next one you have to continue there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after 2, what have you wrote in the questions, please?
Where? Question 3. Next. 122 into 8.
Ma'am, you have to put 1. Sorry, ma'am.
176.
What is going on?
176. 22 into 9. Up to there we are coming.
Ma'am, can you show what you have written? Is it 44 under 52725?
44, yes.
44.
Yes, it is 44.
2 minus 44.
There is no place for this to write. 212. Next one, which one you will select it? 198. 9, you can choose it. So you'll get it as 198. What is the remainder? 190, 14 is the remainder. 12 minus 8 will be 4. Then next one, 145. People here?
First, ma'am.
132. 13 is the remainder.
Tanvi mute.
Tanvi.
Tables you can write off 22. Otherwise,
Ma'am, can I ask a doubt?
yes, you can ask many doubts. Tell me.
Ma'am, yesterday you have given a note of disability by 4. So that questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 that you wrote yes.
Yes, because you want, that is why I want to modify. That is why yesterday did
Ma'am,
not.
can you decide the 6 is not there in 4th table, right? In the
Yes.
side 14th problem.
This is 15th one. Yes, what is the portion here? How will you check the divisibility? Or just how will you check the divisibility, condition for divisibility? How will you check the divisibility of this?
Ma'am,
You should get the answer as where dividend.
dividend equals
What is the dividend here? 52,725 is the dividend. What is the quotient? 2,396. What is the divisor? 22 is the divisor. Who is unmuted there?
Siddhi.
Siddhi, something happened to Siddhi.
someone make a voice.
Yes, next one you can write. You should multiply.
Sorry, ma'am.
Dividend. What is the dividend for what is the formula for quotient? Check the divisibility. Dividend.
Dividend is equal
Equal
to divisor
Divisor
into quotient plus
plus
remainder. Plus remainder.
So you can write
You'll
here
get dividend.
22 into 2396 plus 13. You should multiply. 2396 into 22. You should multiply and say me the answer. What is the answer you are getting? Who will multiply fast?
Ma'am, Manas can do it very fast.
Manas?
Ma'am, Manas can do it very fast, ma'am.
Very fast you will do it. Tanvi, what is the answer you got? 22 into 2.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer you got it?
I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
What is your answer? Tell me fast. Yes. 52,000?
725.
No. 52,712. 52,712 plus 13. If you are adding, you will get.
We'll get 52,725.
52,725.
2,725.
You will get the
527.
725. That means your answer is correct. What is the quotient you got? 2,000.
Ma'am, should we write it inside?
Yes, you can. Or place is there means you write there itself.
Ma'am, 2,396 into 22 equals 8,584, right?
No, this is the answer you are getting. 52,000. You multiply and see once again. 2,000 into 22 multiply and see again. Yes, okay. Next one. Manav read. Maria just now joined. Mayuk, you can read the next problem. 16th one.
Divide 80,400.
Who is unmuted there? Somebody unmuted. Please mute.
Ma'am, it is Siddhi.
Siddhi, please mute. Siddhi only telling that she is unmuted, no?
Divide 80,400 432 by 16.
Yes, check the correctness of division. Yes.
Ma'am, don't change the board, ma'am. I want to write it.
You have to write it because this is a long problem. Without rubbing, I cannot do it.
Yes, ma'am. I'll finish it fast, ma'am, please.
I can't do anything from top to bottom. I need the space.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am, I'll write it very fast, ma'am.
Yes. Who is it Siddhi? Please mute.
Ma'am, it is not Siddhi, it's someone else.
Someone else.
Yes, ma'am. I'll finish.
No, ma'am, can you wait for a minute?
I know those my network.
Yes. Next one. So you can divide 80,000. 16th one we are doing here. 80,432 divided by 16. 16 tables you have to write. Shall I rub it now, Mana? All of you finished here?
Sarah.
Yes.
Ma'am,
No,
can I?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
16.
Yes, ma'am.
16.
No.
Ma'am, can you please write it once again?
Yes.
Ma'am,
After 22 into 2, 3
in the chat box.
plus 13. 5 into 6 is 80.
80. 16 into 6.
Ma'am, it's time.
16 into 7.
No,
112.
it's not time. Ma'am, can I ask one thing, ma'am, Sarah?
Yes, Sarah, tell me.
11:50.
Ma'am, this 22 into 2, 396 plus the 6 is 13.
Which one?
In the last question.
Who is talking with her? Please mute now. Let her ask the doubt. Who is talking with her?
Ma'am, Sarah, I want to ask one thing.
Yes, Sarah, tell me.
Ma'am, in the 15th question, that dividend is equal to D into Q plus 12 is equal to 22 into 2, 396
22 into
plus 13.
13. 1, 3 is the remainder. You got it.
Okay, ma'am. After that, what's it, ma'am?
Then you will get one answer. 52,712. If you are multiplying that, you can see afterwards. Plus 13. So you'll get
can you disable the chat?
yes. Next one, 16 you can divide. How many times here?
Ma'am, I will send it.
80.
Ma'am, I'll
Or
send
you
it.
can write.
Ma'am, I have something in the chat box. If anyone click that, they can see the screenshot
Yes.
of the previous.
11.
Ma'am,
So you can write it as 7. 100.
but it's not there in the chat box.
Yes, it is the remainder. Remainder is 0. Quotient is? Quotient is, so you can write quotient is equal to, up to what time your class now?
11:50.
11:50. 5,027 divisor 16 remainder 0. Quotient is, Risa, don't send others. Divisor is 16, remainder is 0. Dividend.
Ma'am, I have only sent the answer.
Answer. Okay, dividend is equal to 80,432. Then you write the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 16 plus 0 is the remainder. So if you are multiplying both this, you will get it the answer as 80,432. That means your answer is correct.
Ma'am, what will we get after dividing 5027?
5,000 multiplying.
Yes, ma'am.
5,027, if you are multiplying, you will get the answer as 80,432.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus 0 is the remainder. So you can add 0 with it.
Ma'am, can you say last step dividend equal to?
Divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder.
Ma'am, there's a disturbance. Ma'am,
Yes.
last step you wrote dividend equal to that.
Divisor into quotient. Short form I wrote. There is no time to write. So divisor into quotient plus remainder. Short form, that's all.
Finish.
Okay, ma'am, you can change
Okay.
it.
So now I will give you one test in multiplication. How much you are practiced? 1 minute. And the next one tomorrow. And tomorrow I told, tomorrow is Sunday. Sunday you have to revise division 6.1. I will give you problems in the evening. Okay. Written exam and you have to submit it. Is it clear? 2 questions,
Okay,
not more than that. Only 1 or 2 questions.
Chapter.
Because you need a lot of practice. Division today, multiplication. How many of you are completed? Tell me now. How many of you are
Ma'am, I
completed?
am completed.
Completed. Okay, one problem I will give you. I will check it now. Okay.
Okay, what wrong?
One problem.
You told I.
Ma'am, I have a network issue.
Who is having? Right now, first question. What is the question today?
Ma'am,
Tomorrow,
in ruled sheets, right?
ruled sheet, unruled sheet.
Unruled.
Only one question.
Only one question.
Test in unruled sheet.
Any sheet you take and write. Unruled or ruled.
First
There
question.
are
Rough book.
5,660 bags.
Can we write in rough book?
Yes, rough book.
Ma'am, should we copy down the question?
Copy down the question.
Ma'am, should we submit to you?
Yes. 5,606 bags. Weight of each bag is 62 kg. What is the total weight? So because you are having only 2 marks questions, 3 marks questions and 4 marks questions. So get ready for it. There are 5,600 steps you have to write it. Otherwise,
Ma'am, what? Can I write in rough book? 5,006 steps.
there are 5,606 bags. Weight of each bag is 62 kg. What is the total weight?
Ma'am, should we?
So tomorrow division, you have to practice it, all the problems. I will give you test in the revision to one
Okay,
problem or 2 problems tomorrow.
Ma'am, so should we? Is it addition or subtraction?
See it,
Or
think and do it. That is why I told.
Does it is multiplication? Is it addition?
No, 5,000.
Multiplication.
Yes.
Sure. Huh?
Yes, multiplication. Weight of one bag is 5,062 kg. So write the steps and you have to write, send it to me. Everyone's answer I will check. Only if you are writing, others don't submit. I will send you personally the message. Those who did not submit the answers. Steps I need. 3 more, 4 steps are there.
Ma'am, there are how many bags?
5,606 bags.
Oh my, that's too much.
And weight of each bag is 62 kg.
Ma'am, that is too much.
5,606 bags.
Yes.
Right? That is too much weight and bags.
You don't carry it.
Oh my. But while
Don't worry.
hearing it, it may be.
Don't carry and go. Only you have to find how much total weight will be there. You are the cashier there. No, wait 1 minute. I will stop it. 11:50 only. No, 5B. I will start.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I know the answer, ma'am. 3, 4, ma'am.
don't say the answer. You send to me. Don't say the answer.
Okay.
I need the steps correctly. You should write neatly. Otherwise, I will put 0. Right?
Ma'am, time to be finished. We need to send to you.
Yes, you have to send everyone. Those who submitted, I will send. Who is talking there? Siddhi, please mute.
Siddhi so eager to lead the class.
Yes.
That's
Me
why
also. I am
Write the
also
steps and submit to me.
I am
I will
also
check
very
everyone's
eager.
answer. Otherwise, I will call your parents. You are not revising. I will tell them now. Revise it fast and send to me. Answers, steps, including steps. Write neatly. I will check every step. 3 to 4 steps are there.
Ma'am, can you send the question in the WhatsApp? I couldn't write the last one.
Any of your friends you ask, they will send. Their very good friends are there. They will
Okay,
send
ma'am.
only one
I
question.
also don't have.
Yes, I need Siddhi. I will call you now. Those who are not submitting. Your marks are there. 5 marks.
Ma'am, what are you saying about?
Only question you tell and give. Riza will ask the question.
I will send it.
Okay, bye. Read. Tomorrow, which lesson you will read? Division. I will ask you questions now. Tomorrow evening, I will give you questions. Division and multiplication together. 2 topics tomorrow. 2 questions I will give you. Okay. Division and multiplication. Multiplication today I told you to read. Those who read, it is good. Tomorrow division also you have to practice it. Okay, bye. Read well. Practice well.
Thank you.
Everyone